Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Cable VJ and today I am going to teach you lecture 76. Today we will talk about how you can hide the formula written inside a cell, and after that we will discuss how you can convert any data you have here in numbers into date format using a keyboard shortcut. So, before starting the lecture, as always, I would like to say that if you learn something from today's video, if you learn something new, then don't forget to like and share this video. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we will talk about how we can hide a formula. As you can see here in the cell, even if we double click here, our formula is displayed. And if we click here and look up at the formula bar, the formula is still visible. So from here, anyone can come and see which formula you have written inside the cell. If you want to keep the formulas hidden, what you need to do is select all those cells in which you have written formulas. After that, you can press Ctrl 1 from the keyboard, or you can right click on it and select Format Cell from here. And besides that, you can also click on the Home tab and open the number group by clicking here. So you can use whichever method seems easier to you. So when you click here, go to Protection, and then you'll see that the hidden command here is unchecked. You need to turn this command on. After turning it on, you need to click OK. Now, as soon as you click OK, you'll see that the formula is still visible here. Now you need to keep it selected, all right? You need to select all the cells that contain formulas. Then you will go to the review tab, and after clicking on the review tab, you need to go to protect sheet. After clicking on protect sheet, you can either apply a password here, or if you don't want to apply a password, you just need to click OK. By activating this command, you just need to click OK. Now, as soon as you click OK, you will see that in all those cells where formulas were written, the formulas are not being shown anywhere. Even if you double click, you can see that protection has been applied and the formula is not being shown here either. So in this way, you can hide formulas. And after that, next, I'm going to teach you on sheet number 2. I have written some data. These are all dates. So using a keyboard shortcut, how can we convert these dates from number format to date format? For this, you need to use Control, Shift, and Hash from the keyboard. Now, as soon as we use Control, Shift, and Hash, you can see that these have been converted to date format here. All the numbers you had here have now been converted to date format. If you want to change them back to number format, you need to press Ctrl 1 on the keyboard. Then you need to go to numbers, click on general, and as soon as you click OK, they will be converted back to numbers. In this way, by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Hash, you can convert it to a date, and by clicking on general, you can also change it back to a number. So this was my lecture for today, in which I taught you how to hide formulas and in addition, how to convert numbers to dates. I hope you definitely learned something new from today's lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.